Hi, I'm Cornelius Gruppe. I'm a neurologist and senior research chemist here at Sleep Thinker. Did you ever notice how many stupid people surround you? If you didn't, then you might be one of them, in which case you can turn off this video and carry on with your life. It's no secret that morons and idiots are the majority of the world's population. They're not suddenly going to get smarter or start acting reasonably. It's you who will have to change. You're in the minority. We have developed a pill which, depending upon active ingredient concentration, can reduce a person's IQ permanently. We have -10, -30, and the strongest -50. But why should I consider lowering it, you might ask? Because life is easier, and the world is a much happier place when you're dumb. Wouldn't you like that? We recommend lowering your IQ to around 70. But don't worry, with an IQ of 70 you can still tie your shoelaces and write an average rap song. Simply speaking, the pill softens your mind, but it still needs to be reprogrammed. So after taking the pill, you spend the rest of the day in your room listening to Lil Wayne and Pitbull music, also reading The Sun and watching MTV. You then take a nice hot bath, go to sleep, and in the morning you wake up dumber than you were the day before. Self-awareness, decency, lack of confidence, even fear will cease to exist. Jump off the roof, drive drunk, set your own flatulence on fire. All of these meaningless and dangerous activities that you never tried will become very enjoyable and fun. Now, unfortunately, there is one side effect that I must mention. All those people that you had no concern about will suddenly start to annoy you. People of other races, other sexual orientation, people with more money, basically anyone different from you. But the good thing is that you won't have to hate them on your own. You'll make plenty of like-minded friends, because you'll be in the majority. So think about it. The world's a much brighter place when you're not too bright for it. To find out more information about -IQ, visit our company's website at www.sleepthinker.com.